Hello and welcome to Pandora Astrology's monthly horoscope for Scorpio. I'm Julia Mijas.
And I'm Jamie Kale Miller. Well, hey, Scorpio, so much energy in your house of work this month. Your house of work is the sign Aries, and there are many planets in there, and particularly Mars, which is at home in Aries and is also a traditional ruler of your own sign, Scorpio. So you and Mars have a special relationship. Mars can give you a lot of energy, and he really wants to do that this month. Now, you should watch out for there to be conflicts in your place of work, in your work environment. So, you know, if the grumpiest person in the office walks up to you and picks a fight, you don't have to, go with that. Instead, I'd say just sort of chill, let it roll off of your back and keep moving because you can accomplish great things if you stay focused. Also, Mercury is traveling your sixth house, and Mercury loves to be in the sixth house. It's a very familiar home territory for him. And that's going to really be great for logistics and systems. So if you want to rearrange things at your work, like on your desk or inside your computer or, your tools and how you handle them, this is a really good time while Mercury is traveling your sixth for you to arrange those systems to help you work more efficiently and more effectively. Mercury is also traveling faster and faster this month, exits his shadow period because Mercury was retrograde last month. And yeah, things got tangled up and that was really annoying, but that was then and this is now. And so we're going to move on, especially after May 10th. And Mercury will be already leaving your sixth house by the middle of the month, May 14th. So definitely rejigger your systems before the month is half over. And Julia, I know you've got news about relationships and finance, right?
Yes, I do. Well, Scorpio, there's a lot going on in your seventh house of relationships this month. We've got a new moon on May 7th here, and new moons are times of sort of new chapters, new beginnings happening in seventh house matters. This could be affecting your long-term relationships, such as a marriage partner, or if you have a business partner too. There could just be some new project you guys are working on, a new phase in your relationship together. Venus, the planet of love, is also transiting your seventh house. Everyone loves that. She'll be doing this through the 23rd. And it is a good time for single Scorpios who are interested in a relationship to get out there and meet new people. Then she's going to be dipping into your eighth house for the end of the month. That's a house of shared finance. So you and your partner might be focusing more on how you share money together. Maybe your partner shares more of their money with you, or it could be a little bit of a luck time, financial luck time, if you're trying to get a loan or anything like that. Now, finally, Juno has just gone direct. Juno is the marriage asteroid. She also represents long-term relationships. She recently went direct, and we have just finished a months long relationship review period where your relationship may have felt really under a microscope. This was all happening in Virgo, so there may have been a lot of nitpicking going on, but it's nice to know that cycle is over. She's coming out of her shadow period, which means she's speeding up throughout May. But overall, I'd say May is a really nice month for relationships for you, Scorpio. Then when it comes to money, May 23rd is a very special day because we have a very beautiful, very lucky Sagittarius full moon happening in your second house of earned income. This is also the house of possessions, the stuff that you love, your collectibles, your car, your jewelry. So there might be some finishing off cycle that's happening in terms of money that you make. And with Venus opposing this in the eighth house, again, there's a lot of financial luck coming in here. Now, the ruler of your second house is Jupiter, and Jupiter's making a lovely sextile with Neptune, the planet of idealism, at the end of the month on May 23rd. So that's just going to give you some more vision in sort of how you want to approach money in these coming years. And your ideals might get a little extra luck during that transit as well.
Find our site at pandoraastrology.com to get a reading with one of us, and find us on Patreon for workshops and classes. And we'll see you around the cosmos.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.